Hello everyone, I'm here on a new video. I ordered a part for 2015 GMC Terrain. It's a hitch. This one didn't come with the hitch option. So I got the hitch right here. Hardware, harness. I got this from eTrailer and they have a pretty good selection. It's really simple to shop there. They had the whole kit and probably around $200, so it's not too much. And they actually have videos of them installing, and it's a pretty quick install, maybe an hour max. But yeah, first thing we're gonna do is take off these right here. Take off the tail lights, drop the harness down. Then I'm gonna install that and get it done. But I can't work with one hand, so I'm gonna go ahead and hang up for now. Hey guys, I'm back. I got the tail light off right here. Just make sure when you do take it off, go that way. Do not bend it that way, because you'll break the tails off. And there are 10 sockets, 2 of them. And here's the wiring harness. Just going to put it back on so I can run the rest of it down right there. That's a little messy. I'll get it a little clean so the rest doesn't build later on. Okay, so right now I was taking a little break because we ran into some issues. And this wasn't the issue, but we had to get those bolts. Let me see if I can get that light. Those bolts through there, and we had to fish it through with this fishing wire. It was kind of hard because the little hardware it had on there kind of got caught up in there. I kind of lost it in there, but I had to get it out. Got it out, put it on there. But then we ran into another issue. The other issue was these were not the right size bolts for the frame. It has to be slightly thinner. So my brother went out to the hardware store to get some, and we'll install it here in a little bit. Alright, we'll be back. And in hindsight, I should have ordered another passenger tail light. I'm not sure if you remember in the other video I did mention we had a freak hailstorm a couple weeks back, and this Terrain got a little bit hail damage, not too much, but the tail light did get damaged right there. I'm sure you can tell right there. And as you're pulling it off, it was getting too much stress and it was cracking even more. But I'll have to just order another tail light here in a couple of weeks. So on some of the Terrains, I think Equinoxes, and I can't remember which other vehicles, you have to cut out the rear fascia right here for the tail hitch. But on this one, it just had a cover on there, which was pretty simple to take off. So hey guys, yeah, I'm back from a little break and the hitch is in. Tying up all the wires, put the ground in, and it's set for whenever we need it.